Hey, what's up? We're going to get right to the point. The Chevy Silverado AFM and DFM systems. We've done several videos about these systems. People want to get rid of them, and there are lots of different ways of doing that. But what if I told you that there were some 2021 and 2022 Silverados that came from the factory with the V8 engine without the AFM or DFM systems from the factory with no changes needed at all?
What did you say?
I have done some research and I put together a little report for you.
Nerd! Nerd!
I'm going to show you there are Silverados out there that came from the factory without these systems, and I'm going to show you how to figure out if the Chevy Silverado you're looking at buying has this system or not before you even go to the dealership. Let's check this out. All right, so this started with a comment that I saw on Facebook. I'm just blocking out the name because I'm not sure if this person wants me to reveal their identity. But whoever you are, thank you for this information. This is the comment. No idea how they could do it. I think they must have gotten some sort of waiver from the government. My parents' 2021 Silverado 1500 has the 5.3 and is not equipped with that AFM software. It even says on the original window sticker, L84 engine, 5.3 liter, EcoTech 3 V8 without DFM. So I looked up this information and I found an article from GM Authority that confirmed this situation. So this is an article from GM Authority. I will put the link in the description. And this is by Johnathan Lopez, written back in 2021. The ongoing microchip shortage has resulted in lost production and reduced features for a variety of GM vehicles, including the removal of automatic engine start stop from certain 2021 Silverados. Some of these Silverados didn't come with automatic start stop. These were certain trim levels. If you want to go to the article, you can see it. So there's lots of different engines for this vehicle, the 2.7, the 4.3, and the 5.3 V8. That's the one we're most concerned about. So as you can see, some of them have yes and no for automatic start stop. I'd rather not have that either. Let's see. What we're worried about right now is the DFM. So the article states, to note, the 2021 Chevy Silverado models not equipped with automatic engine start stop may still be equipped with dynamic fuel management, which automatically shuts down engine cylinders under load to maximize fuel economy. That said, the chip shortage has also resulted in some 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 models being built without active fuel management and dynamic fuel management, with GM offering a $50 credit to those models which normally would have those systems. So, I mean, I'd pay $50 for them to take that off for me. But due to the chip shortage, some of these vehicles did not come with AFM or DFM. Now, the question becomes, how can we tell? So I thought about the comment that that person made. He said it was on the window sticker. So I had to find a way to look up the window sticker. And I have done that, and I will show you how to do it too. So I did some more research and I found this comment on a website called coloradofans.com. And whoever you are, thank you for posting this. Here we go. To find your window sticker, insert your VIN number. So you're going to use this link and then you post it in your browser. Sometimes it gets kind of weird if there's like a little space in between the equal sign and the VIN. Then when you try to put it into the web browser, it won't work. So make sure that there's no space in between here. Like, this is a free link. You don't have to pay for this or anything. Paste it in your browser, and then it just comes up with the window sticker. So this is one that I found. I just went to Car Gurus and found just a random VIN number for a Chevy Silverado 2021 with the V8 engine, the 5.3. And if you look at where I put the little arrows, you'll see on the upper right-hand side, 5.3 Ecotech V8 W/O, meaning without DFM. And look here, just like the guy said in the comment, it says here under options and pricing, 5.3 Ecotech V8 without DFM, credit not equipped with dynamic fuel management, minus $50, just like the guy said on Facebook. So this one has the 8-speed, as you can see. Now I looked up another one with the 10-speed, and that one doesn't have it either. This was a 2022 Silverado Trail Boss with the 5.3-liter engine without DFM. I don't know. This one was a little different under options and pricing. It didn't say it like the other one, but it looked like it says it right here in the upper right-hand side. Every VIN number that I looked at, some of them had it, some of them didn't have it. So you're going to have to look it up on your own and see if yours has it. One of them I looked up and it didn't say with or without. So I don't know what happened with that one, but I looked up about 8 or 9 of them, and some of them said it does have DFM and some of them said without DFM. So this is the truck that you want. I'm telling you, not having to worry about that system is a huge relief because it costs a lot of money to fix when they do break. I'm not sure if the lifters inside of these vehicles without DFM are the DFM lifters and they're just not being activated, or if they put the old-fashioned lifters in there. It stands to reason that if you're not using that system to activate the lifters, that they're probably going to last a lot longer with them not being used. If I were looking for a 2021 or 2022 Silverado, I would definitely use this technique to try to comb through the VIN numbers and see if you can find one without DFM. Hey guys, while I was editing, I decided it would be a good idea to try and run through looking up the window sticker. I just wanted to do this just so you could actually see it work, and you'll be able to do it yourself a little bit easier. So here we go. This is the window sticker link that I'll put in the description. We're going to go ahead and highlight that. I like to do Control-C to copy it. And then we are going to put it in the address bar. That is like at the top where the website name goes. So we're going to open up a new tab. So you want to go ahead and paste the link in there. So I like to do Control-V to paste it. Now we're going to have to try to find a VIN. So I'm just going to go over to Car Gurus and get a VIN from a Silverado 2021 to see if it has dynamic fuel management or not. So let's look for a VIN number. All right, so here is a VIN number. This one is a 2021 Silverado 1500 with the V8. Let's take that VIN number. I want to copy it. Control-C. Let's go back to the new tab. And you see right after VIN equals, that is where we're going to paste the VIN number. So we're going to go Control-V. I'm going to push enter. And boom, now we got the original window sticker. Look at that. Let's make that bigger. You'll see at the top right-hand side of the window sticker, say engine 5.3 liter Ecotech V8 without DFM. So you see W/O DFM. Okay, so you'll see under options and pricing, 5.3 liter Ecotech V8 without DFM. Credit not equipped with dynamic fuel management. So that's negative $50. They gave them a credit of negative $50 for not having DFM. That is how you look up the window sticker. Now, this would be helpful if you're looking to buy one of these so that it would not have DFM from the factory. You can look up your VIN number to see if you have it. If you have a 2021 or 2022, maybe yours doesn't even have it and you don't even know. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for tuning in and have a good one.